What is up, my dudes? I think it's gonna be my new intro. What's up, my dudes? What's going on, my dudes? Sorry, I'm like kind of out of it, just a little bit. I just got out of work and I've been sitting down for like 8 hours, and apparently that makes you tired. Didn't know that sitting down could make you tired, but it does. I just want to stand up for like ever, but it's fine. Another reason why I look so crazy is because it's that time of the month and just not feeling good, not feeling it. Just want to sleep for a very long time. Pretty painful. So anyway, we're gonna try some ColourPop stuff. And it's all in here. Don't look at my nails, they're disgusting. Honestly, this, like, I got this stuff a while back, but I'm just getting to opening the package now, and it's so pretty. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it's freaking beautiful. It made me so happy because everything's yellow, and then this says you're a sunflower. I think I'm gonna leave this like in my room. I always leave their little things in my room. I'm really greasy because, again, I was at work. I didn't put on eye makeup or anything like that because who has time for that, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh. Okay, so first thing I got is this thing, this Super Shock shadow. It is actually a Super Shock pigment, I think, and it's like lime green, and I really want to do a lime green look with it on because I keep seeing people doing like neon looks, so I want to be one of those people. I got the new mascara and I'm so excited about it because I just love mascara. I don't wear false lashes, so you know, mascara is my friend. I also got the liquid eyeliner. I wear eyeliner all the time, like not every day, but if I'm going outside of my house, not to work, but like, you know, like out, like, you know, like to Target, I wear eyeliner. Also, can we talk about this packaging for the spring palette? How cute is that? That's so cute. Like, if you don't think that's cute, you're a liar and you're not my friend. The actual palette looks like this. And then the back looks like this. So cute. It's like hollow. So cool. And then this is what the inside looks like. So yeah, let's just get into it. Let's just go. Let's go. I'm sorry. I'm so tired. Alright, dudes, so first things first, my tripod is shaking. We're gonna take off our makeup. So I'm using this. My boyfriend got it for me because I didn't want to get out of the car, and this is the one he picked. And it's actually really good. I'm assuming it's affordable, so, because it's from like Walgreens. They're very moist, so I know we don't like that word, it's not a good word, but they are. I don't know what else, they're wet, I don't know. They're nice and covered in makeup remover. My lips are so dry. Pardon that as well. I just don't look like an acceptable human today. It's just not, it's not my day, you know, it's just not. Very boring, slow, sad day. But we're gonna make it better in this video, you know what I mean? Just try and make your day good. So if I'm doing my job, please like this video. Sorry, why did I do that? I don't know why I did that. You don't have to like it. If you don't like me, tell me. Just let me know down in the comments. What am I saying? Oh my god. Who am I? Just let that dry now. And then we're gonna put on some stuff. Okay. Ugh. We're not doing primer because, as I told you, my day is over. We are just gonna take this right off after this, so what's the point of doing primer? But I wanted to focus on mostly ColourPop stuff, even though I don't really have that much ColourPop stuff. We're just gonna try our best. So I do have I have a lot of ColourPop stuff. I have a lot. But I mean, for face and stuff, I don't have any bronzer from them. I don't have any blush. So that's what I mean. We're gonna take this ColourPop No Filter foundation. And we're gonna take this disgusting sponge that I have not cleaned. I mean, I have cleaned it like a couple times, but like you should clean it a lot, and I really haven't. And I'm just gonna take this ColourPop palette, and I'm gonna use this is gonna be my mirror, in other words, today, because the palette that I bought doesn't have a mirror, but this one do, so that's what we gonna do. It is now time to put on some concealer. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I love ColourPop a lot. When the company was just beginning is when I was in high school, and I was really young, and I just saw those little eyeshadows, these, that they still make, and I was like, that looks really cute, and they showed people using their finger just to apply it, and I was like, I could do that. That's actually really easy. So I just like that it was user friendly. I just think they're an amazing brand, and everything's made there in California, and I don't know, I just think that they're really cool, so you guys should check them out. Me acting like they're not super famous now, but at the time they really weren't. Everything was like $6, so I could actually afford to buy it. My opinion may change, so let me just shut up and try it out again. Because I guess as soon as I saw it happen the first few times, I was like, so I stopped wearing it. But maybe I judged it too quickly. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter setting powder. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to our eyes. I'm just making a mess of myself right now. Alright dudes, it's eyes time. I noticed that inside the pans you can see like some of them are glitter and some of them are Super Shock Shadow, like this one. These are very soft and pillowy, so I really like them. They're kind of like wet almost, and they have the best glitter. The first color I'm gonna take is gonna be Dream Maker. It's like a light pink color. But first I'm going to make sure that my eyes are set, because if there are any creases in your eyes, like with the concealer, you are going to have creases in the eyeshadow as well, so you don't want that. So I just take some of that translucent powder and just put it right there. Put a lot today. I'm gonna take that pink shade. I'm gonna just put that in the crease. Wow, it's a lot more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. What the heck? Light pinks usually look like non-existent on my eyelids, because my eyelids, obviously I have like a medium tan skin tone, so sometimes light colors do not show up on me, but this is showing up, you guys. I love it, because that means that the even darker shades are gonna be beautiful. Okay guys, now that that pinky shade is blended, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of ICYMI, and it's like a little burnt orange shade, and I'm gonna take a denser brush to put that right in the outer B of the eye. The denser brush just makes the color a little bit more opaque. Guys, I also want to mention that my family is watching a very action-packed movie right now, and you might be able to hear it, so. And my boyfriend's here now.
You're recording a video?
No, I'm just sitting here.
You're wearing lipstick?
No. That's my boyfriend. Go watch our boyfriend tag. We're gonna take that really, really deep plummy brown shade using that same brush. It's called Feel Free. I do feel free. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, duties. Oh, by the way, sorry, I was talking to my boyfriend and I forgot to tell you guys, I put some of the darker shade right in my inner corner so that way you're gonna do kind of like a halo eye. So the middle of my eyelid is gonna have the lighter color. So yeah, you're supposed to look pretty crazy right now, so don't be discouraged if you look like a raccoon. It's fine. We're gonna fix it. Right, babe?
Right.
Right. See? He's cheering you on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so for the lighter shade, we're gonna be taking the Slide to Slide shade, which is that very wet looking formula that I told you about. I don't know if you guys can see how shiny that is. So I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna pat it right there, right in the center. I'm gonna try taking a little bit of the glitter without using glitter glue, which is pretty stupid because it usually ends up all over your face. But since we have baking powder on our face, we could just wipe it off. So I'm gonna take the color Prima Drama, again, just with my finger. Oh my goodness. What the heck? I think I'm just gonna have to bring it to the inner corner because that's so pretty. What the heck, babe? What the heck? Babe, do you see this? This is crazy.
It's insane.
It's insane!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to wipe the bake off.
What?
And then I'll be right back. I wiped off the bake and I'm just gonna take this little dome flat brush and we're gonna do our lower lash line because it just looks incomplete without doing a lower lash line. So I'm gonna take that first pinky shade that we took and I'm just gonna put it all over here. And then we're gonna take that shade ICYMI and I'm gonna put that there too. More on the outer corner side. Oh yeah. Alright. Before we continue on with the face, we're gonna try out the eyeliner. I'm so excited. It says ColourPop liquid liner and then it has a happy face and some stars. That's so adorable. Okay, and this is, ooh, has a little ball thing. Feels like a pen. This is what the applicator looks like. Very thin, real cute. She's cute. And we're just gonna do our liner. And it might suck, but that's what makeup wipes are for. That is our rough sketch. Guys, this eyeliner is hard for me to use. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is affordable though, so yeah. But I just feel like e.l.f. is pretty easy to use and it's also really affordable. However, the palette is amazing. I'm obsessed with it. It's really good. My boyfriend's just standing there and it's really confusing. I don't know why it's happening. You wanna come here? In here?
Hi guys, you might remember me from last video.
I don't think they
Can you play that? Play that video real quick? Play a snippet?
No.
Yeah, so you guys remember me? Just making sure she's doing her job. You know, I'm her manager. If you guys want to talk to her, you gotta talk to me first. And yeah, that's it. Alright, thank you.
So now we're gonna try the mascara.
You know what?
I'm really, what?
One more thing. What's your bucket list place to travel? What's the place that you guys want to travel to?
Are you done?
Yeah, comment down below. I'll tell you my place in the comments.
Okay, so the mascara looks like this. It's really freaking cute. I love the look of this. And this is what the brush looks like. To me, it reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It looks like the same brush. Let's see if it's any good. I think it's gonna be good. I don't know, I feel like the more I add, it doesn't start to look like all spidery and clumpy. I think it still looks really nice. This eye has the mascara and this eye doesn't, and it looks bald and scary. And now I'm gonna take the Super Shock Shadow shade, this one, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and my brow bone. And I'm gonna be taking the Brow Boss gel, and I actually have this in black because my hair used to be black and now it's kind of brown. I don't know if you guys can see, it has like some highlights and stuff. So it's definitely not black anymore, but we're gonna use it anyway because it's a ColourPop video. Right, babe?
Right.
Right. I'm just gonna brush that to the side so that we look less crazy. Just a little bit less. Not a lot less crazy, but just a little bit less. And that's pretty much how I do my brows. It's really lazy, but I kind of like it when they look bushy, to be honest. So we're done with that. My eyes are so watery, but I really like this mascara. It looks like I'm wearing fake lashes. I'm gonna do my bronzer and stuff and just use all the products that aren't ColourPop, and then I'll be right back. So the last two products that I'm gonna use today from ColourPop are, this is, our last two products are, right babe? Yeah. This lip gloss is from ColourPop. It is called Neat Freak. It was a collaboration with Shayla, right? Ah! No, I didn't. I just spilled everything. You know when you use your makeup and it just, like, everything rubs off? I'm pretty sure it was a collaboration with Shayla. She is a YouTuber and she's awesome and she's beautiful. And I bought this and the highlighter as well. So we're gonna use this gloss real quick. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I love that gloss. It is so shiny. It has so many different color glitters. If you're looking for that type of gloss, I would totally get it. Don't know if ColourPop still sells it because this collaboration was from a while ago, but I would buy 5 more if I could. And then the other one is this highlighter. It is a loose highlighter and it is such a beautiful gold. I don't know if it's too dark for me right now since I'm not tan, but we're gonna try it. Whew. That is beautiful. And I just spilled it all over the little table that I'm using, so that's good. Right, babe?
No.
The camera can see you sleeping. They can all see you sleeping. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you pick up something from ColourPop. Probably not the liner because it was really hard to use in my opinion, but the palette is a yes. You have to pick this up, and the mascara. I'm obsessed with both of those things, and this lip gloss if they still sell it. I will see you guys very, 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 very soon. Bye.